Aquí Leo, 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 Leo. Bueno.
Thanks a lot, man.
You're welcome. ¿Qué? ¿Cuál quieres? ¿Tú, Andrew? Ajá. Leo, en la casa de Chocomil, viejo, agárrate un cranberry. ¿Ok?
I can't.
Métela, 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 dale. Dale. Ah, no, dile a Andrew cuál. Ese es pura leche, viejo. Mira, este es leche, este es Chocomil, viejo. En la casa hay leche Chocomil. Agárrate un juguito, viejo. Mira, este está good, es el que te gusta a ti. Ok, agarra ese pues. Hello, how you doing? Ah?
Oh man. Yeah, man, foodie face.
Que dile, ay. Ey, se cayó un ojo.
Oh. Oh man.
Hey, close the door.
Put it on.
Uh-oh.
Oh
You wanna eat here?
no. But do we have glue in the house?
Yeah.
Oh yay.
¿Va a comer aquí o no?
I'm gonna help it.
No, mejor comamos en la casa.
So you wanna know what I need to do right here?
Sí.
Right. I need to do this. It's from this. Right, so what I need to do
Ah,
is put some pictures right here of me, alright?
ok. ¿Puras de ti?
Yeah.
No family, no nada. Oh, yeah, aquí está, era una que dice my family. When I grow up, I want to be.
Family.
This is what I look like. Oh, this is una picture tuya, okay?
Oh, when I was a baby. Wait, do you have a picture when I was a baby?
Yeah, Diego.
I was a baby too. And
¿Tú qué?
And do you have a picture?
Ay, little baby.
And do you have a picture of me and my family?
Yes,
Whoa.
baby.
Well, me, Leo, Chris, and Mommy Bella, and you and me.
¿Sí, viejo?
Alright.
Ok, vamos a pedir algo que comer, pues.
Ah.
Come on. Come on. Ah, llegó. Andrew. Wait. Oh.
I can now open it.
Claro.
Okay. So you leave. Come on.
Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Hey, papi. Where's papi?
I'm taking a funny video.
Anta papá. Anta papá.
Oh yeah.
Anta papá.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Anta
Oh
papá.
yeah. Oh yeah.
Papá.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Hey, you.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Ok, vamos.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, this chicken leg beauties. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Mochilita.
Oh yeah.
Hey, oh, venue.
Well, let's watch the video. Oh yeah.
Dile bye, Andrew. Bye. Moviendo la colita, güey. Dile bye, moviendo la colita. Bye.